The Earth, a planet with 70% of its surface covered by water, and yet water is the most important and vulnerable resource. Our planet's freshwater resources are diminishing as the need for pure water increases. The demand for more efficient treatment of wastewater, both municipal and industrial, is steadily increasing. On this basis, Koldnes, in collaboration with SINTEF, the Foundation for Scientific and Industrial Research at the University of Trondheim, and Professor Halvard Ødegaard, undertook the development of the now patented Koldnes moving bed biofilm process. After several years of intensive research, the first full-scale plant was constructed in 1989. The same year, the company Koldnes Miljøteknologi was established. That plant was delivered to Lardal municipality, and it was also the first plant in Norway with nitrogen removal. Today, more than 15 years later, the plant continues to operate with the original equipment installed back in 1989, including the biomedia, which proves the high quality and durability of the process. In 2002, Koldnes joined forces with the Swedish company Anox, a company specializing in the biological treatment of wastewater and soil. To fully utilize the strength of the two companies, it was, in 2004, decided to sell and market both companies under the same name and identity. Anox Koldnes was created.
Combining the world-leading expertise of the two companies, we can now together provide our customers with even more optimal solutions to difficult wastewater problems.
Anox Koldnes has achieved international recognition for their process, the latest by being awarded the prestigious Stockholm Industry Water Award. The success of the process depends on many factors. We at Anox Koldnes have learned that the most difficult task is not solving the problem, but defining it. We must therefore think along untraditional lines in keeping with nature's own premises. 99% knowledge and 1% plastic is a good description of the patented Koldnes moving bed biofilm technology. Why is the Koldnes process so effective? Both the shape, the high degree of protected surface area, and the density of the material used for the biomedium help enable microorganisms to live well protected in what might be described as 3 rooms and a kitchen, under ideal microbiological conditions. The living conditions for the microorganisms are optimized in each individual step of the process. Bacteria and higher organisms that are naturally found in wastewater establish themselves where they flourish the best. Thus, specialized biocultures, which perform their tasks without competition from less useful microorganisms, are cultivated in a completely natural way. Right from the start, the driving force in our operations has been an extensive research and development program. We make use of external research institutions and universities throughout the world, in addition to our own facilities.
The Research and Development Center of our group is here in Lund. Here in our modern laboratories, we further develop our technologies such as the MBBR. One example is the new biofilm media, the biofilm chip, which will make the MBBR even more efficient. We also try to shape the biological processes of the future.
We are composed of water. We cry water. We drink water. We bath in water. We live, work, travel, and conduct trade on water. Water is vital. Thus, the treatment of wastewater ought to be regarded as a natural part of man's activity, for which we all have some responsibility. Anox Koldnes is a global participant in the great cycle that brings water back to nature, on nature's own premises. Anox Koldnes is returning water to nature.